What if everything you believe about confidence is wrong? What if it is not something you are born with, not something you fake or get from others? Then what is real confidence? Today we uncover the truth. Most people think confidence means being loud, being bold and fearless all the time. But that is not the full picture. Many confident-looking people are pretending and hiding their doubts inside. They smile but feel anxious. They speak loudly but question themselves. They look strong but feel insecure. Because confidence is not about appearance. It is about something deeper. Confidence is not being perfect. It is not being fearless. And it is not about being liked by everyone. The biggest lie is fake it till you make it. Because faking only hides insecurity. What you hide does not disappear. It grows stronger inside you and slowly controls your actions. This is why fake confidence fails. It has no real foundation. True confidence is quiet. It does not try to prove anything. It does not seek attention. It stays calm under pressure. And it comes from self-trust. Self-trust means believing in yourself. Even when things go wrong. Even when you fail. Even when others doubt you. You still stand strong. Confidence is not I will always win. It is I will be okay if I lose. That mindset gives you freedom. Freedom from fear and pressure. Freedom to act without hesitation. When you trust yourself, you stop chasing approval. You stop fearing failure. You stop overthinking everything. And you start living fully. So why do people lack confidence? The first reason is fear of judgment. We care too much about others' opinions. We think everyone is watching us. But they are not. People are busy with their own lives, thinking about their own problems, worrying about their own image. They are not focused on you, like you imagine in your mind. The second reason is overthinking. You replay every small mistake, every word you said, every action you took, and you judge yourself harshly. Your mind becomes your enemy. It creates fear and doubt. It makes simple things difficult and stops you from taking action. This kills confidence slowly. The third reason is lack of action. You wait to feel ready. You wait to feel confident. But that moment never comes. Because confidence comes from action. The more you avoid something, the more fear grows. The more you face it, the more fear disappears. Action is a key. Confidence is built through evidence. Every action gives you proof. Proof that you can handle things. Proof that you can grow. Proof that you are stronger than fear. Start with small steps. Speak up once. Try something new. Step outside your comfort zone and accept the discomfort. You may fail sometimes. You may feel embarrassed, but you will survive, and that survival builds strength. That strength becomes confidence. Each small win changes your identity. You start seeing yourself differently, as someone who takes action, as someone who does not quit, as someone who grows. Stop asking, will I succeed? Start asking, what will I learn? This simple shift changes everything. It removes pressure from your mind and gives you courage to act. Confident people expect failure. They do not run from it. They use it as a lesson. They grow stronger every time and become unstoppable. True confidence is not loud. It is not perfect. It is not fake. It is built slowly over time, through action and experience. So take one small step today. Do something you are avoiding. Face a small fear and prove to yourself that you can handle it. Confidence does not come before action. It comes after action. Every step you take builds it. Every challenge makes you stronger. Every moment shapes your mindset. Confidence does not come before action. It comes after action. Every step you take builds it. Every challenge makes you stronger. Every moment shapes your mindset.